Hello. So in previous episode we just preached the singleton class with the reflection technique. Now let's try to secure our singleton so that it cannot be affected through reflection. So whenever an object will be created, this constructor will be called. So if it is once or twice or thrice, whatever the number of time an object is created, those many times the constructor is executed. And here lies the solution. So one thing we can do is we can just have a counter. We increment the counter every time the constructor is executed. If constructor is going to be executed second time, we will just throw the exception and stop the execution. For that we can simply use if the instance is null, and it will only be null for the first time, and if it is being executed second time, that means that somebody else is also trying to create the object, and we'll just throw the exception to stop it. Let me show you how to write the code for this. So let me explain the code. If instance is not equal to null, that means this instance is already created. When it was created, like the first time when instance is really null and we initiate the new singleton here, it will start executing this constructor, and it's the instance that point will be null, so this condition won't be true. Second time when with the reflection we will be trying to create the instance, it will again execute this constructor. Now instance is not null because it is already created in the previous execution. So we'll just simply throw the exception, or we can simply say instance already exists. So this is simple way to defend our singleton from the reflection attack. Let's try to run the code again. Yeah, we are successful because we just throw the exception cannot create instance. We can also provide the reason for that, like this is a singleton class, that's why we cannot create multiple instances. Let me update the code for this. Yes, now this exception, this error will make sense, and this is the simple way to stop, to protect our favorite singleton class from the reflection attack. That's it for this episode. Let's look at the next episode and try to attack the same singleton class with another technique. Thank you. Bye.